Hello and welcome to the next session of the Python tutorial series. In this session, I'll discuss about how to perform the swapping of two numbers. Till now, we have learned so many things. Before going to further next topic, I just want to do some logical things so that you can do the coding also. So in that area, I'll discuss first of all that how to perform the swapping. It is very common program. So swapping means suppose you have a value into one variable, that is a, and another value into the variable b. So after writing some logic, the value of a should be placed into a and value of a should be placed into b. So before swapping the value, suppose a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. So after writing some logic, that is after swapping, a should become 20 and b should become 10. So how to do this by the code, by the logic? So we'll see with the code. So come to this part. Here I'll take two inputs from the user. One is in a. So this will take the value of one value into a, and this will take another value into b. We have already discussed that how to take the user's input, and after that I'll print the value of a and b, that is already taken from the user. After that, I'll write one logic. The logic is, suppose we have one value into a and one value into b. So we cannot write like this, that the value of b should be assigned to a. So it will update the value of b into a. Right? After that, if I write b is equal a, so what will be the output? Just look at here. So this will not work. Look at here. I'm just making a change into this, that is after swapping. So execute this, run. So now you can see that first value is I'm taking 10 and second value as 20. So after swap, before swapping, the value of a is 10, b is 20, fine. But when I'm writing logic, that value of b should be assigned into a. So yes, it is fine. So from here, the value of b, that is 20, will be assigned to a, that a will become 20. Now after that, I am assigning the value of a. Now from this statement, value of a has been updated. So if I assign the value of a into b, so now again the value of a, that is now become 20, will be assigned to b. Now you can see that the value of a and b is 20, but the logic should be like a should become 20 and b should become 10 according to this input. So to do this, what we can do here is we can take a temporary variable in which we can store the value of a. Okay, so now we have one copy of a. After that, if we write that a should be updated with the value of b, so fine, now a will be updated with the value of uh, a. Now since we have we have stored the value of a into the temporary variable, so now we can copy that temporary value into b. So now b will have the value of a. Okay, look at here. So if I input 10 and 20, then you can see before swapping, value of a is 10 and b is 20, but after swapping, a is 20 and b is 10. So now this logic works fine. So this is called swapping of two numbers using third variable, because we are using third variable, that is temp. Sometime it can be asked that without using third variable. So there is also a logic by which you can perform the swapping without using third variable. So the logic says, first of all, store the value of a and b into a. So now a will have the addition of both values. After that, we can write a is equal a minus b. Okay, look at here. B is equal a minus b. So now if I subtract, since now a has been updated, if I subtract the value of b, so now it will give you the previous a's value. Okay, so this will update the value of previous a's value into b. And after that, if I write a is equal a minus b one more time, so now b has been updated into the previous statement. So now it will subtract to the updated a's value minus b. So it will give you the previous b's value that will be updated into a. So look at the output, then you can understand. 10 and 20. Before swapping, value of a is 10 and after, b is equal to 20. But after swapping, after execution of that logic, a is now 20 and b is now 10. So this logic also works fine. Another logic that you can use by using bitwise exclusive OR operator. So first of all, perform the exclusive OR between a and b, and then right update the value of b by using a or b exclusive OR. So this also works fine. So if you don't know that how the exclusive operator works, so just go and watch my operators video, then you will get the clarity that how to use the bitwise exclusive OR and what is the result of bitwise operator. So if I take the user again, input 10 and second value as 20, now you can see here that is a is now 10 and b is now 20. A is 20 and b is now 10 after execution of this logic. So you can use these logics to perform the swapping of two numbers. But since we are using the Python, so Python has a very unique type of the swapping logic, and this works only within the Python. So don't try with other programming languages. It works only with the Python. That says a comma b. If I have two variable a and b, so now first assign the b's value that will be copied into a, and after that assign the a value that will be copied into b. So this also works fine. This is only a single line swapping logic that works only within the Python. Just remember this one. So if I take the value as 10 and second value as 20, then you can see here before swapping the value of a is 10, b is 20. But after execution of this logic, a is now become 20 and b is now become 10. So this also works fine. So this is my recommendation. If you go for swapping, so use this logic because we are using Python. So I hope this one is clear to all of you, that how to perform the swapping in Python. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the latest videos. Thank you. Bye bye.